Hello. Ngayon meron kaming nilulutong ano yan eh? Inday-inday.
Tsaka siomay.
Yan o, at saka siomay para mamaya.
Yeah, kita fix mamaya. Sige na.
Yan na, luto ng aming inday-inday. Yan o. Dali namin mamaya sa my birthday.
Yes.
Yan o. At maya-maya pa yung siomay.
Takpan
Ayos, takpan mo na rin. Yan, luto na rin ang aming siomay. Masyalin. Ano? Siomay. Yan ito yung sauce na. Madamdam, okay man. Sige.
How long? Okay, that's enough na. Later na.
Okay.
Yes, oh. Yan, ready ng gamit namin, guys. Yan na, oh. Ready ng aming dala.
Excited ang Jojo.
Let's go to swimming at Alsef Resort.
Night swimming. Pero maliwanag pa.
Let's go.
With Kuya Sander. See you there later.
Down there. Right here. Jinx. Attack him and tickle him. No. Hey guys, guess what? I got the PC. I got the PC. It gave me guys each. Do you have a PlayStation 5?
Bili ng ice. Oh, wait here, Jojo. Nak, dito lang, dito. Bili kang ng ice.
You guys want like chips or? Yeah, because like just regular cheap.
Hi, din kita. Oh, san. Let's go na. Jo, put it back.
Nandito na kami sa may Alsef Resort. Sa 7-2. Mama Shalino. Yan o, ganda o. Yeah. No. C7. Ganda, may umbrella. Jojo, oh. Liam, Anitan, si Farah and Sander. Ganda. Yan, Mama Shalino.
Papa. Did you hear a sound like up?
Yan guys. Hi, dire na kita. Diin ba si Dirina, oh? Ha? Si 7-2? Dira na? Kasi wala pa to sila bala? Dito na kami. Ay! Ay, masarap ta. Masarap. Ay, sarado ni. Close?
Guys,
Rose.
sa rooftop.
Ay, nami sa rooftop. Kasi dun.
Ang father papa is coming.
Ay, wow. They are coming na lab. Ganda. May swimming pool. Ay, andun na sila. Oh, ayan. Oh, ayan guys. Ang view.
Gusto naman ang mabalanang.
Ang ganami on. Daw pang. Ado ara lang na sa Espanya.
That's the deep one. What happened to that? Oh, it's out of service.
Swimming time na.
Ako hindi ako mag-swimming.
Ang ganda ng Alsif Resort. Paborito ng mga ayamanin.
Kaya mo ka na amaligya ya?
Oo eh.
Hindi ka naman mag-swimming. Children's party na ini.
Hindi nila. Vacation naman siguro. Pagbata ang mag-birthday, pinatigil ang mga nagato.
Gane, correct. Din si Ethan.
Yeah, sit down only there.
Basa na your hair. Lug-lug na. Anak, kiss kita. Di mo lulunod.
May. Mag-hi ka, May. Hi. Oh, diba? Welcome to my, ano, sabi mo. Oh, welcome to my vlog. Namin na si Ethan. Kabalo to sa Maglangoy ron. Susa. Muda mo tawo, no? Wala, ang dami-dami nila. Ang gabi na. 10 minutes na lang. 10 minutes.
Last chance I will see you there. Last chance I will see you both there on that side.
Madulom na. Met, 10 minutes na lang. 10 minutes na lang. Masaka na kami dito.
7:30.
Oo. May limit lang yung pagligo. Bye na swimming pool. Jojo, get up na. Ayan, tapos na ang swimming. Oh, nagapito na. Tapos na ang mga bata. Jo, all the kids da, get up na. Hi. Sander. Si Ethan. Tan. San. Siyan. Are you okay? Oh, let's go na. Dan. Tara na. Uy, ito sa towel. Kasi, ano, ito pagdala. Let's go na. Jo, dali na.
Yan, katapos lang mag-swimming. Pabalik na sa room. C7. Here, we'll go back to the room. Damo na naman sang foods. Yan ang inday, fried chicken.
Slowly, ha?
Wow, damo foods. May lumpia, may pansit, menudo, kapsoy, belly. Gutom na ba? Yung mga kids, oh. Hello. Alsef Resort. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Kain na! Yan. Kain na!
Try to put your foot in the plate.